All right, what is up, everybody? So who'd be down for a mod race? I think I'm gonna mod these cars out. These are all cars I got just sitting here in my drawer. This one missing a wheel. I think I got it for 75 cents. This one, I believe we dug up at my mom and dad's house. You can still see the dirt on it. This old truck. I don't remember where I got this one. I bought it somewhere. I'm sure I only got it for $1 or $2. That'll make a good mod. And of course, my old Roger Dodger with no wheels on it. So we can mod that one out pretty easy. Then we have this Cobra. Little Fox body Mustang. It's dented in right there. So that'd be prime. And then somewhere I dug up this old beat up Fairmont. That would be prime for some modded wheels. And of course another Torino stocker. I got a bunch of these. I could mod these up. I could paint them or just leave them like they are. I don't know, this one's missing most of its paint. And everybody loves a 57 Chevy. What do you think? That's another one. Well, no, maybe it didn't. And let's see. Of course, everybody knows I love super vans. Come on, these super vans have pretty decent. Got another super van, black with flames. We can paint this up too. Then a live 55. What do you think? Modded out Nomad. And the last one for the race, if I do 12, be this chrome. Neat trigger, yeah. Chrome neat trigger. I was trying to think of what it was called. Having an old moment. But if I take it apart, I'm definitely going to go ahead and glue that back in so it has the engine sticking out of it. Or the hood scoop. You hear it. The hood scoop's in there somewhere. But what do y'all think? Put this line up here. Oh, backwards. The old beat up cars. I love old beat up cars though. That's the way I am. There you go. That'll be the lineup. We'll mod all them. Then y'all let me know which one y'all want to race against. If you want, this is what we used to do. Me and the France brothers. Let me know which one y'all think is going to be fastest.